I got my octopus curry, and let me tell you, it is divine. But don't think my mission to experience the apex of culinary experiences ends here. There's more foodie stories to be had. Next up, I set sights on somewhere remote. How remote? An island with its own private runway. So the next day, I'm up early, and after soaking in the beaches on Mahe Island, it's straight to the airport. A short 45 minutes later, I land in Desroches Island. About 5.5 kilometers long and 4 square kilometers in area, the island hosts home to another Four Seasons property. Beautiful lighthouse, gorgeous beach line surrounds the island, and giant aldabra tortoises roam free in their native land. This guy, George, has been around for well over a century. Truly a sight as I interact up close with this big boy. Beautiful, well-stocked bar over there. Palm trees just line the beachside. I see Donald's son. He's got a grill set up. And that's the MO here. Grill time at sunset. What a setting.
Thank you.
Castaway Center, tell me all about it.
The Castaway Center basically it's your getaway, a day getaway venue where you have almost everything. You have your surfboards which you
I
can
see
take.
them, yeah.
Yeah, and you can obviously go out there on the ocean and do a bit of surfing as well.
Saw an awesome bar there.
There's some bars as well. There's some local cocktails that you can do.
And at sunset, the vibe changes. It's barbecue mode, I'm guessing.
Definitely. This is why we're here, obviously, for tonight.
Nice,
and then during the dinner time, it changes to a Castaway barbecue center.
On the menu is this beautiful beast, fresh red snapper and lobster. All right, let's get that on the grill. Yeah, let's see you do your magic.
Let's go. So I've got the snapper which has already been cleaned, of course. So we're gonna score it out, and then we've made also a Creole marinade. The reason why we're gonna be doing, the scoring of the fish is obviously to make sure that it cooks a little bit quicker.
Right.
But also you don't score too much because you're gonna lose all the juices from the fish.
And that marinade also gets a chance to seep in. Yeah?
Absolutely. Right. So the first thing that you want to do is obviously put some salt, and you can put some lemon juice. You can either stuff it if you want as well. So we're going to pour the marinade. Normally what they do is cover it up, smother it in this, and then it goes into the grill. There's a trick as well that when you go and put the fish on the barbecue, on the grill, we have the lemongrass sticks that you're going to put in. You're going to lay the fish over
it's on a bed of lemongrass.
You get that lemongrass flavor,
The
which
essence,
is
wow. And you're not burning the fish.
exactly
Beautiful.
Then you got your fish.
Oh, that is so unique. Essence of lemongrass.
Yeah, definitely.
Beautiful. And now what about that lobster?
We're basically just gonna put salt and pepper. It's freshly caught as well from the island, and it's beautiful, so we don't want to add any flavor to it. We're just gonna be grilling it.
This one is kept au natural. You appreciate the natural, fresh, sweet taste of the lobster, and that one is just drizzled with Creole sauce. So it's like, yeah,
So
two different directions.
Exactly. And then with the lobster, we're trying to keep it more natural. It's got already enough flavor as it is. It's just a matter of putting salt and pepper on it
And cooking it
drizzle
right.
And
That's
cooking
key.
it right, of course. So we're gonna just and some lemon juice, of course, just to finish it off. Salt, pepper.
Shall we get it on the grill?
Yes, definitely.
With the sun lighting us up spectacularly, the island looks dreamy, and it's now time to eat. All right, man, I'm going for the lobster.
Go for it.
The fruit
There's a sauce as well here for the lobster.
I'm just gonna slather it on from here. Tremendous. Wow, that is so good.
Yeah, very flavorful.
And it's cooked
Definitely
just
not too
right,
dry,
man.
It's
Wow.
not overdone. We have the nice garlic and lemon butter sauce that just sinks into the lobster.
It doesn't take away from the lobster. I'm still tasting the sweetness of the lobster.
Absolutely.
That's so important, man.
Yeah.
All right, man, I'm dying to get a piece of
Please go for
that,
it.
that snapper.
Just be careful, it might be spicy. But,
Oh, no, I'm ready for that. Oh, I need a moment. Charcoal,
yeah.
that skin. Creole sauce just complements snapper. It's like they're made for each other.
Match in heaven.
Sun setting over there. Amazing seafood spread.
What more can you ask for?
Not much more. I totally get the vibe here. So here at Desroches Island, the vibe is immediately apparent. The moment you land, the moment you step foot, you're seeing aldabra tortoises freely roaming around. You have 14 kilometers of unspoiled beach. There's just completely preserved wildlife, flora, fauna on the island that's just stood the test of time. And you're just this little speck here enjoying the natural island splendor. And what better than this lavish seafood spread cooked perfectly. I mean, absolutely spot on perfection. Taste of the islands, taste of Seychelles. What more could you ask for?